name is Johnny Giles. I'm the ServicePlus supervisor for Fulton. I've been here for 18 years. I have a customer that lives off-grid, and so he is solely dependent on solar and generator power. Unfortunately, he had a generator failure, and it was very much an overcast week at that point, so he had no power. His father is at home on hospice. He's on life support. So I went out there on an emergency call to get this generator operational and literally give the equipment keeping this man alive power. So that was really, really special to be a part of that. Yes, absolutely. We work with a lot of different customers that have emergency efforts in place. One of them would be for marine spills. So I actually have a client that I deal with annually. I take care of all their needs on their equipment. And then of course there's the emergency call from time to time. But in particular, I remember a time when there was a large oil spill in the Pacific, and this crew was getting ready to go out and their generator wouldn't start. And so an emergency call came in. I was out on site within 45 minutes, and an hour and a half later, they were on the barge heading out to clean up that oil spill. So it was pretty amazing. An average day for me varies. Some days I may come in here and be in the shop the whole day working with my crew. On the other hand, I could be given an emergency call and sent out at a moment's notice. So there is no average day for me here. The best part of my day is completing a repair that was a difficult repair and that other shops gave up on. We were the last one to put a hand at it, and we succeeded. At the end of the day, I feel wonderful going home knowing that I put in a hard day's work, knowing that the repair work we're doing in some cases is for life-saving measures. It's not just about making a movie in Hollywood, but we do that as well. And we support those customers very much as well. What I enjoy most about working on ServicePlus products is the fact that I'm working for Multiquip. Multiquip is a wonderful company. We have the best product in the world, and I love being on a team that is looked at as the absolute end-all when it comes to repair. So again, we may not see the equipment the first time around, but after 2, 3, 4 shops have had their hand on it, it eventually comes our way. And we're the best in the industry.